All right. Now that you've connected the Facebook, your accounts and your integrations, and so everything's in here now. Now, if you're going to want to launch an ad, first thing we'll do is always double check in the account section, especially after you first set it up, that you got the right account and page you want to use. And then you go to your category where you want to launch an ad. So here's the library. There's different, there's a lot of salon and beauty treatments in here, brows, lashes, a lot of that. You can go back. There's injectables. So you can kind of go to the contour where, the category where you want to go. So let's just say you're doing an injectable one. Let's say this one you want to do. This is for us to know. This is broad targeting. There's a dynamic images. So that's just wording for us. But basically, so this is you want to do the Botox campaign. It's got a price in there. It's got now this can be changed. You can also upload your own images too. But this part will stay the same. So when you look for your lead, so if you change the price, it won't change here, but it doesn't matter. This is what shows up in the ad here. So if you change this to $199 here, in here, it's not going to change here. This part in here is going to be what you want to pay attention to. First thing you do, so then is you're going to choose the template that you want to do. And then you're going to pick if it's a lead form, a landing page, or a Facebook Messenger ad. Lead form is the most popular, which gets the most, generates the most leads. And we use this a lot, especially for the beauty treatments that seem to do well. Then you put your daily budget. If it's $20, you put $20 in here. You put your website address. If you're doing an ad for Morpheus or whatever it was, you just put the link straight to that treatment in there. And then your radius. And now this radius goes by the address on your Facebook page. So you may get an error. It says if some of you have multiple locations or some reason you don't have your address on your Facebook page, there's gonna be an option in here to do it by zip code. So once you put that in there, put a website in there, always open up the optional info in here. One is you're going to go to the ad media, and then you can, if you want to see all the images in there, we always load like 4 to 8 images typically for a lot of our campaigns, so that way Facebook can generate different versions of it and start test to see which ones are doing better. So you can actually click on template media and you can see these are all the ads in there. Images are going to be running through the ad that'll be rotating. So if you wanted to add one in there, you can go to upload media, and then you can upload yours or use those as well. So then to the template media. So that's where you can see that. And then you want to go through the ad text. Now, for example, if you wanted to change the price, like I showed you before, you to $199, whatever, you can change it right here. So you can change that to $179 or $199 or whatever the offer is. You can change it. You can actually edit any of the text in here. So then next thing you do is you're going to have to hit launch campaign. And then that's going to be that. So you're there, and then it's going to run, and then it'll give you a little message there. Actually, let me just put a website here, and I'll just show you that process. And then it's going to go through, and then your campaign is being generated. Congrats, user saved. So this is going through, and then you're after this launches, then you're going to have to connect the if you want to use the automation part in here to like notify you when there's a lead. You have to connect that in here, or you could get your notification through Facebook. But this will send you a lead, and then also there's an email that you can automatically send to the lead with basically, thank you for their interest, your phone number, address, whatever, for them to give you a call to book their appointment. So we have that set up in here, and you can kind of manage the leads in here. So from there, and then once this runs, it's going to be all done. So now, and then here the next video will show you how to connect that. All right.